A very good afternoon, students. Today we discussed about reflection of light. What is reflection of light? The returning of light in the same medium after striking a surface is called as reflection of light. So, pertaining to this, we did plane mirror. What is plane mirror? It is a type of mirror in which we are able to see our image, and it is made by silvering one side of a thin plain glass plate and other one is a reflecting surface and it is a polished surface. So in this context we are having some definitions. This diagram that I am discussing with you is very important. You can see that there is a plane mirror M1 and we are having three rays: incident ray, normal and the reflected ray. And this is your O, the point of incidence. And now we are going to define all these. First one is your incident ray, the ray of light that strikes the surface. So from the figure you are able to see that AO is a ray of light that is striking the surface at the point of incidence O on the plane mirror M1. Next is your point of incidence. Point of incidence is the point at which the incidence ray strikes the surface. So you can see AO is the incident ray and it is striking at the surface at the point O, and this is your point of incidence. Next is your reflected ray. The ray of light which is returned back in the same medium is known as reflected ray. So you can see AO is the incident ray which is incident at the point of incidence and it is reflected back in the same medium. Here you are talking about same medium because here it is also air, it is also air, so medium is same. Next is your normal, the perpendicular drawn on the point of incidence. As you can see, NO or ON is the perpendicular that is drawn at the point of incidence, so it is defined as normal ray. Normal ray is the perpendicular drawn on the point of incidence. Next is your angle of incidence, the angle between incidence ray and the normal. As you can see, this is your normal, this is your incident ray. So the angle between the incident ray and the normal is known as angle of incidence. It is denoted by symbol I. Next is your angle of reflection, the angle between refracted ray and the normal. So in the diagram you are able to see the normal NO and the reflected ray BO. The angle between the normal and the reflected ray is known as angle of reflection. Thank you.